Welcome everyone. Today my review is on a body cream, that is Nivea Cocoa Butter Body Cream. This is the cream. This is the package. And now first we'll talk about the look of this product. The look of the product is a brown color container. This container is 250 ml, that is 245 grams, and it comes in a twisting sort of small container. It comes in a large quantity, and it says it's a body cream, but I use it as a night cream or a day cream or after bath cream. I don't apply it on my body. So what is written in the container, we'll read it first. It says skin feeling light. The rich formula provides moisture and helps smooth away the dullness for 48 hours. It actually works for 48 hours. I don't know about it, but I am sure it works for more than 8 hours. Like if I apply in the morning and at night before going to bed, when I wash my face with just a plain water, I can feel the smell of the cream as well as the thick texture that is on my skin. And with that I come to know that 48 hours, I'm not sure, but it works for at least more than 8 to 9 hours. And moving on to the next line, leaving your skin feel soft fragrance with the scent of cocoa after just one application and with a regular use. Yes, I use it regularly after bath, and very rarely I use it as a night cream. Mostly I prefer it as a massage cream, because whenever I apply this cream, I apply in a larger quantity, and henceforth I get a chance to massage my face also. Next paragraph, this I'm reading. Deep moisture serum. The formula looks deep moisture and gives noticeably smoother skin for 48 hours. How to get the best caring result? Direction: apply this body cream daily to your whole body. Obviously, I live in India. You know the temperature of India during summer season and winter season also. We know it's not really very cold in Calcutta. So I don't prefer applying this on my whole body, and keeping in mind that I don't complete this container very soon, so I don't prefer applying on my body. Now ingredients, we can also move it. I don't think so we need to discuss it right now. It is imported by Nivea India Private Limited, and it is manufactured in Poland. So this is basically a Poland cream. It contains all the formula which is of the Poland environment, and it gets imported in India. We Indians apply it. Now this Poland cream is, I think, basically based on the Poland skin. So Poland people may know how this cream is effective for them, but after applying it a lot of time, I found it is very oily cream. I don't know how it is not good for people of staying in that country. So I have an Indian skin, and this is a Poland cream, and I'll apply it and I'll show to you the result of it. So this is the cream. I'm opening the lid now. I've been using this for more than 6 months. This is the quantity, and first we'll move on to the texture. This is the texture of the product. It's very lightweight and little oily also. As you can see, I can move my fingers very smoothly, and the fragrance is very nice, mostly like a little bit of medicine, little bit of cocoa butter smell, and little bit of oil, face oil. I think it smells somewhat like that, medicine, cocoa butter, oil, all mixture of that, and all the ingredients which has been used in manufacturing. Now I am showing you, I am applying it all over my face. So I am basically using the like this. I never forget to apply on the inner corners of my nose, always near my dark circles, and also on the inner corners and outer corners of my eyes to avoid any sort of wrinkles, on my pimples also. Now one thing I have noticed that while applying on the cuts of our face, I feel a little bit of burning sensation. I don't know, my skin is sensitive or or the cream is very strong. I'm not sure what is the reason, but I don't know what has happened here. Whenever I apply here on the inner corners of my nose, I can feel a little bit of burning sensation. I'm moving it in a circular direction. Also moving here in circular direction. I always prefer to move my fingers in a circular direction here also, in the inner corners also, outer corners. So basically I try to concentrate on all over my face. Now some people have noticed that whenever they apply the cream, they apply here and they forget the forehead area. So do not always forget the forehead area. Now when I started applying, it was very oily, but when after circulating it in a circular motion all over my face, I can feel the oiliness, the softness has been absorbed and my skin is being tight. I have to take an extra effort to pull the cream. You can see the difference also, whether it is oily or not. My skin is normal skin, normal to dry skin. It's not oily at all. I don't mind applying this over my lips also. It's better. I prefer it that it's better we should apply them. Now that I've applied my cream, I'll talk about the result that I found. That the oiliness has been absorbed, but as the time will go on from 1 to 2 hours to 3 hours, I can feel the little bit of oiliness over here on my T-zone area, as well as over my cheeks also. I can feel a little bit of oiliness. The smell remains as it is. It fades 1 or 2%, but the smell of the product will last on the skin for maximum 5 hours to 6 hours. And the thickness you can feel even at night before washing your face, and it can be used as a night cream also. Men and women, girls, boys, both can apply this cream. I don't find that there should be any discrimination while using any cream over I mean to say that there should not be any gender discrimination when it is a matter of a cream. Anyone can apply it. Obviously only the tag gets changed that it is for men and women, but the product, the quantity, the quality and the ingredients remains the same. So boys can also apply, girls can also apply, anyone. It is a unisex cream. And this was all for my today's video. I hope you have liked it, and if you have liked, then please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you next time with another some useful video.